Hi everyone! Do you know that our setbacks are just staging for our next success? Rejection is something inevitable, whatever industry we are at, right? Especially in high-stakes fields. So the difference between those who quit and those who thrive is the speed of their resilience. Every no is a mandatory adjustment to our strategy. A resilient mindset turns every closed door into a blueprint for the next one. If there are closed doors, for sure, the next ones are bound to open somehow. Okay, so what are some tips? We have what we call the first one, the 3-minute mourn. When a setback hits, yes, feel free to grieve. And we give ourselves no more than 3 minutes. Then after that, physically shake it off and move on. Number 2, the what not who analysis. Avoid blaming people. Ask what part of the process failed and what can be changed next time. Finally, I like the third one as I find this truly applicable for anyone. Practice gratitude. Lessons learned are actually valuable life hacks. And not just that, it teaches us to be more resilient at heart. What are 3 specific things the setback taught us? Reframe failure as a tuition for success. So we are reminded today, Psalm 37 verses 23 to 24. The Lord makes firm the steps of the one who delights in him. Though he may stumble, he will not fall. The Lord upholds him with his hand. So, is there any one particular lesson from a recent failure that has taught you something? Feel free to share. Connect with us, Carol at enhanceyourimage.asia. Until then, take care.